It began as a whisper, a bold idea that grew into a testament of human curiosity. In 1977, we launched a small craft, not knowing the epic journey it was about to undertake. This is the story of Voyager 1, humanity's farthest traveler. Its mission was to give us a fleeting glimpse of the giants of our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. It performed its duties with flying colors, revealing wonders we had only dreamed of. It showed us the churning, violent storms of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a tempest larger than our own planet. It discovered faint rings and new moons, painting a complex and dynamic portrait of the gas giant. Then, it sailed on to Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Voyager 1 danced among its majestic rings, discovering intricate structures, braids, and spokes, challenging everything we thought we knew. It gazed upon the haze-shrouded moon, Titan, hinting at a world with a thick atmosphere and the potential for liquid on its surface. Each image, each piece of data, was a love letter sent across the void. But its planetary tour was just the beginning. After its encounter with Saturn, its trajectory flung it upwards, out of the plane of the planets, on a one-way trip to the stars. Its primary mission was over, but its journey was far from finished. It became our first emissary to the cosmos, a silent messenger heading into the great unknown. Tucked away on its side, it carries a piece of us, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. It's called the Golden Record, a 12-inch, gold-plated copper disc. This record is a time capsule, designed to tell the story of our world to any civilization that might find it. It contains sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. There are greetings in 55 languages, starting with Akkadian, a language spoken 6,000 years ago, and ending with modern languages from across the globe. Each voice a thread in the rich tapestry of humanity. The record also carries the sounds of our planet. The gentle cry of a whale, the rumble of a volcano, the patter of rain, the chirping of crickets, and the rhythmic beat of a human heart. It holds music from different cultures and eras, from Bach's Brandenburg Concerto to Chuck Berry's Johnny B. Good. A playlist for the stars, representing our artistic soul. The record also contains 116 images, encoded in analog form. Diagrams of our solar system, our DNA structure, and scenes of human life, from eating and drinking to athletes running. It is a snapshot of who we are, a message of peace and friendship. A greeting card to the universe that says, "This was us. This was our world." As Voyager 1 traveled farther and farther away, it continued to look back. In 1990, at the request of the great astronomer Carl Sagan, it turned its camera around one last time. From a distance of 6 billion kilometers, it took a family portrait of our solar system. In that image, Earth appeared as a tiny, single pixel, a speck of dust suspended in a sunbeam. Sagan called it the pale blue dot. He spoke of how this minuscule point was our only home, the stage on which all of human history has played out. All our joys and sorrows, all our triumphs and tragedies, contained in a mote of dust. That image changed our perspective forever. It showed us our fragility and our profound connection to this one tiny world. It was a humbling final photograph from a long-distance friend. After that, Voyager 1's cameras were powered down to conserve energy for the long road ahead. It would never see our world again, journeying onward with only its memories. For decades, it sailed through the outer reaches of the solar system, a region known as the heliosheath. This is the turbulent boundary where the solar wind, the stream of particles from our sun, begins to slow down. It was a long, slow transition, a gradual goodbye to the sun's embrace. The influence of our star waned with every passing day, every million kilometers traveled. Then, on August 25, 2012, something incredible happened. Voyager 1 crossed a monumental threshold, a boundary no human-made object had ever crossed before. It had officially entered interstellar space. It left the protective bubble of our sun's influence, the heliosphere, and plunged into the sea of particles and radiation that fills the vast expanse between stars. The silence is different out there. It's not an absence of sound, but a different kind of music. The spacecraft's instruments now listen to the gentle hum of interstellar plasma, the vibrations of the cosmic medium itself. It is now in a realm governed by the echoes of ancient supernova explosions and the subtle magnetic fields of the Milky Way. It is a pioneer in a truly alien environment. Voyager 1 is now so far away that a command sent from Earth, traveling at the speed of light, takes more than 22 hours to reach it. And another 22 hours for its reply to reach us. A full conversation with our most distant explorer takes nearly 2 days. we are communicating across a chasm of space and time that is almost impossible to comprehend. It continues to send back data, precious whispers from the interstellar void. Its power source, a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, is slowly decaying. Its instruments are shutting down, one by one. Sometime around the year 2025, it will likely fall completely silent. Its power will be gone, and its faint signal will finally fade away, lost in the background noise of the cosmos. And then, it will truly be alone. A ghost ship sailing on an endless ocean, carrying its golden message in utter silence. It will drift for millennia, a silent monument to the species that built it. It travels at a staggering speed, yet the distances between stars are so vast that its journey has barely begun. It will be about 40,000 years before it comes anywhere close to another star, a dim celestial body in the constellation Camelopardalis called Gliese 445. A fleeting pass in the cosmic dark. And it will continue from there, wandering through the Milky Way for eons. It may outlive our planet, outlive our sun. It could be the last remaining evidence that we ever existed. Think about that. A small, ingenious machine, built by curious minds on a tiny world, is now our immortal representative in the galaxy. It is the loneliest object we have ever known, and yet it carries the voices and dreams of all of us. It represents the best of us, our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our deep, abiding need to reach out and say, "We are here." Its journey is our journey. As it drifts silently through the eternal night, it is a testament to the idea that even a small, fragile species can dare to touch the stars. If you found this journey as awe-inspiring as I did, explore more stories of cosmic exploration with us. Be sure to subscribe to Space Repo for more voyages into the unknown.